Hello everyone. The white truck is carrying wooden blocks. Let's follow the white truck to work.
Go, go, go!
Why is there a tree here?
Looks like the trip is a bit complicated. Let's deal with it.
Okay, let's go!
Oh my gosh!
Oh no. A big problem happened. The bridge suddenly broke when the car passed. Now the whole white truck is stuck in the lake. He needs help.
What? Help me!
Several cars working at a nearby construction site discovered the incident, and they came to help, luckily.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's go!
Thank you very much.
Woohoo! Oh yeah!
I need help.
There is also a crocodile in this lake. It is dangerous. We need to catch it and bring it back to the wild. The bridge has been repaired. Let's continue work.
Hurry, hurry.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of vehicles. Today we will continue to accompany the white truck. Let's see what he is doing. The box had fallen out of the trunk of the car, and the two racers discovered it and called the white truck back to pick it up. Thank you both very much.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hey, you dropped the box.
Oh, no! Wow! Thank you!
Okay, move on.
Let's go! Loser!
Our two nice guys went to an empty lot and got a rainbow slide rod. They will play slide fishing here.
Loser! Oh my gosh!
We need to find shelter.
Let's get out of here! Wow!
We can take shelter from the rain here.
It was raining. Our two friends found a safe place, but were robbed by a taxi. Oh, how bad. Oh no, the taxi was stuck in the cave because of the landslide. Two racing friends are trying to rescue but seem to be unsuccessful.
I can't take this!
We should call the rescue team.
Luckily, a crane and a car arrived to rescue the taxi. Everything will be okay.
Go now! Come on!
Okay, the taxi has been rescued.
Go, 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 go!
Hello, the truck was doing his job and went over the bridge, but it seems the bridge is under repair and cannot be used.
Huh? Stop it now!
The police discovered that the truck had crossed the no-go road. The police will now chase and find the truck.
Stop it now!
There was a warning that the road was under construction, but the truck still tried to get in and now he's stuck. The truck was lucky to escape, but now the police car stuck there.
What's happening? Hey, you!
Help me.
Luckily, someone
Okay.
called for help. Everything will be okay.
Go! Go, 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 go!
All right, guys, let's start rescuing the police car.
Oh no!
I need help!
Okay.
Looks like the rescue has been interrupted. Now we'll need the help of a crane.
Ouch! That hurts!
Sorry!
Thank you!
It's great. We've completely rescued the police car. Now we will build a bridge here so that cars can move more easily.
Go, 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 go!
Bye-bye! La 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 la.
Hello everyone. Today is a clear day. The mini buses are playing happily in the park. Looks like the minibuses are trying to go to another playground with a slide. Okay, let's follow them and have fun. Looks like they're out of gas. They'll need to refuel right away. Let's see if there's a gas station around here.
The gas station.
Found the gas station. Let's refuel.
Good.
We've arrived. This is a very fresh park with many games. Let's play. Hello, today, we will be together at the same workplace to see the working cars.
Okay, let's go. Bye-bye.
Looks like there are a lot of items that need to be transported.
Go, go, go.
Wow! Thank you!
He needed help.
Hurry, hurry!
Oh, what's going on? A Godzilla is blocking the way and has bad intentions.
Hey, you!
Oh, okay.
The truck reported to the police about the appearance of Godzilla. The police will handle this problem.
Stop it now!
Hey! Stop it! Oh no! Hey! Stop it! Stay down!
Great. With their intelligence, the police and army defeated Godzilla.
Well done.
Everything was under control.
I will reinstall the plumbing.
Let's destroy the city.
Hello everyone. It seems to be raining heavily. The water pipe was broken and damaged by the storm.
Oh no!
Guys, what should I do? Should I take the car?
A team immediately arrived to handle this problem. We will solve the problem of broken water pipes first.
I don't like turning it into this.
The water has been repaired. Now we will repair this road together.
I came back the same.
I have to save you.
Let's destroy
Now comes the excavator that will work.
I will come back to see.
Now the road roller will do the remaining work to complete the route.
You look so beautiful. Go, go, go! I came back the same.
Helicopters will complete this route.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, a dinosaur appears and the policeman is fighting it.
Stop!
The police officer was so busy chasing the dinosaur that he didn't pay attention and accidentally crashed into a garbage truck. Now the police car, seriously damaged and broken into many pieces.
Help me!
Hello?
Help me out.
Okay, let's go to save your car. Guys, let's go. Please.
We really need help. A crane will come to support immediately.
Let's go, guys!
Stop!
A large part of the police car was stolen by the dinosaur in the cave. It will be quite difficult to get.
Let's go!
Amazing!
Go, go, go! Let's go, guys!
The parts have been collected. Now it's time to repair the police car.
I will reinstall you the parts of the car.
Amazing!
Done. Everything is resolved.
Amazing!
The police car is chasing Lightning McQueen. It looks like he's causing some trouble again. Oh no, the chase caused a collision. The construction vehicle and the police car collided.
Oh my gosh!
Can you help me?
Yes, sir. I'll be there soon.
Let's go!
The police officer called the support team to come help. Everything will be resolved soon.
Hurry, hurry!
Do it.
Well done.
The police car has been rescued. Now the police officer will continue to pursue the troublemaker. And now let's continue to support the truck carrying construction materials. Everything has been resolved. Now the excavators and trucks continue to work.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Go, 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 go!
Hello, 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 hello. I need help.
Let me help.
Hello friends, welcome to the car city. The cars are waiting for the car carrier to arrive.
Let's go!
Hurry, hurry.
The car transporter has arrived. The cars will start moving.
Yippee!
Go, go, go.
Move it.
The cars would climb onto the car carrier, and the car carrier would load all the other cars.
Hello, 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 hello. I need help.
Let me help. Go!
Hurry, hurry.
Hello everyone. Oh no, a very big dinosaur. And it is causing trouble for vehicles that want to cross the bridge.
Let me out!
That hurts! Oh no!
The dinosaur broke the police car into many pieces.
Huh? Aha!
Oh no, the dinosaur also destroyed the fishing rod. There will be quite a lot of work to do today.
Just have to call someone to help. Can you come help me?
The policewoman
a
called the rescue team to handle this problem.
Go, go, go.
Hurry, hurry.
Let's go.
Hey!
Please help her. I have work to do.
First, let's find the parts of the police car to reassemble.
can you help me?
I'll come right away.
Helicopters were also involved in the search.
I found it.
Hurry, hurry.
Bye bye.
Wow! Thank you! Hey, you! Hey, you! Oh, no!
The strange hand didn't return the wheels. Looks like we'll have to be tougher with this guy.
Help me get my stuff back.
Yeah, okay.
Open the door.
I'm so sorry.
For the tank attack, the strange hand had to return the wheel.
Let's go!
Thank you for helping me.
The police car has been repaired. Everything has been resolved. Goodbye and see you again. Hello everyone. Today is a beautiful day at the farm. It seemed like the lake had dried up.
What's going on?
Oh, no!
Let me find someone to help.
Oh, hello.
Can you come here?
Okay, I'll be right there.
We don't know why there is no water flowing into the lake, so we need to call in professionals to check.
Go, go, go! Go, 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 go!
Hurry, hurry!
Yippee!
What's happening?
Look at the water hole for me. This water pipe has a problem.
It seems like the water pipe is broken. We need to repair it.
Turns out the water pipe was broken.
It's true that the water pipe is broken. We need to replace it.
Yeah, okay.
We will replace a new pipe, a colorful and solid 7-color pipe. The pipe has been repaired. Everything is almost done.
Well done.
Great. Problem solved. Water was pumped into the lake for the entire farm to use.
Yeah, okay.